It went past my shoulder, bro.
I had a 5-piece right there off in this corner. Clear.
Yep. Clear. Clear.
4-point blank, man.
I'll send you the link on YouTube later.
I got him before. He didn't call his shit.
How's it going?
Good. We just have one camper at this corner building, and that's it.
Okay. Bro, it's not that serious. Come on.
You're getting butthurt about fuck. I said fuck. Like, it's fuck.
It's whatever, man. Just go. Just go. God damn.
I don't know how to say it.
I don't know what it is about Gamepod, but there's definitely a ton of grown-ass men acting out today, which is why I'm out here with the boys, and today I'm going to be using the Elite Force Hater Gen 2. Pairing that with the Quake Tectonics grenade, this combo is definitely going to be one for the books. The Hater doesn't quite shoot like a revolver, but it does use a small disc which holds about 10 BBs, which is going to be a little bit more challenging today, which is why with the Quake Tectonics it'll definitely compensate when I'm clearing rooms.
Straight.
Last video's most liked comment came from Solo Seal Airsoft. Personally, I think the stock KWA gun is great, but if you drop a gate titan in it, it jumps a whole level. Also, great video, love the content. Love you too, bro, and I definitely agree. KWA's got a lot going on for it, and I think a lot of people sleep on it. If you soup it up, you're pretty much good to go. Alright boys, what's the best way in your opinion to deal with a grown man who overreacts over everything? And of course, we gotta run it back. The most liked comment will be featured in next week's video.
God damn, what happened?
What's up, guys? Back at it again with the boys. Just playing with toys. The garage is not even open. It's fucking dark in here. Ah!
Hey, that works.
Huh?
Get some hearing protection.
Huh? Oh shit, I see green. I see green. I see green. I got you, bro. Don't worry. Let's go. Let's go. Out the doorway, straight ahead. Sorry. Straight. Now we're good. Send him back to spawn. For sure, right here. Ready? Now we're good. Star Wars, man. Oh, good hit, good hit. Let's go. You got it. They're not gonna get us from here.
Dude, we're a marker on the front.
That's gone?
You got
I
no
didn't know
light
what the
on the
fuck you
front.
were, dude.
Where are we going, brothers?
I don't know. I gotta replace the CO2 cartridge real quick.
Son of a... He needs some milk.
He needs some.
Goodness, like, does your actual...
Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it.
Yeah.
Let's get it. Let's get it.
Let's go, big dog.
Let's get it. Let's get it.
Hey, let's work bus. Let's lock down gas station.
Let's go. Let's go. We got. Go for it. Hit! You got hit. Again. There you go.
I killed 5 people. Cleared that whole room.
I heard you after I killed the guy. You came Hit!